It's about 6:30 in the morning. I'm actually just getting ready to go to school. Yes, happy Vlogmas day 4, right? Day 4. Yeah, today's is December 4th. Yeah, sorry I didn't get to do a proper Vlogmas intro, guys. I have just been busy. I have exams coming up Friday. I have assignments that's due today. I have a couple of assignments that are due on Friday as well. And I have like between assignments that are due now and next week, and next week will be my final exam. Oh, I can't wait for this week to be over and next week so I could finally have my Christmas break. So things has just been a little bit hectic, guys, so just bear with me. I'm trying to do this Vlogmas thing, but we will see how it goes. These vlogs are going to be, I'm trying to get the vlogs done out a little bit earlier. Sorry for the last vlog, it went up really late last night. I was up doing my math assignment that's due today, so I was trying to get that done. Was up till 2 o'clock this morning trying to do work, and now I gotta get up to go to school. Like times when I leave for school, it's I leave at night and I come home at night. But at least today I have a short class. I have a 2-hour class, so I pretty much gotta get some studying done. I have some projects that I still gotta do, so I'm gonna get that done. See how dark it is out here. It is dark as ever, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You see, you want good, you know it's have to run. So you want a better life for yourself and family. Yeah, sometimes you gotta do the things that you don't really want to do, but you gotta do it just to get to where you want to get. Oh, let me show you guys one of my neighbors' home. It's full of lights. They went out this year, boy. Their house is all decorated, all ready to go. They are in the Christmas spirit. I guess all we're missing is snow, but I'm sure the car. But you know what? Let me just take the bus. This is why sometimes I don't even bother driving to school, because to park at school, it's so expensive. I took the car yesterday and I parked at school. It was like almost, what, over $10 just for a couple of hours. As you can see, guys, I'm still at the bus stop waiting. This is why I don't like public transit. I've been out here for at least a good 15-20 minutes and the bus is super late and I'm waiting and it's freezing cold out here. This is why I hate public transit. Oh my goodness. Because I'm at a bus stop and it does not have a shelter. And the windshield is cold. It's cold today. So make sure y'all bundle up. But boy, I tell you, transit. Oh, where is this bus? This bus is taking forever, but I'm gonna go put my hand back in my pocket. My hands are freezing, guys. Hey guys, what's up? So I just came home from school. I'm actually just trying to prep dinner to get dinner started. So yeah, I'm just gonna make some pasta for the day, and yeah, so I'm gonna make pasta and some chicken. I'm just cutting up the vegetables right now for my pasta. I'm just trying to get dinner done and over with because I still have my assignments that I need to get to. Try to go get those done. Taking me a little bit longer than expected. I was up till 2 o'clock this morning getting my other assignment done that was due today, which I got it done, so which was good. Yes, I got the chef in the building. Just put my pasta. Usually when I put my pasta in, I break them in two and drop them in. Oh, yes, it's coming.
Hi guys.
So, in the stove, I got my chicken breasts. They're to be good, clean. So I have my pasta on, which is going. So I'm gonna let this boil down. Memphis, you really just took me with the knife?
Accident.
Accident, your backside. I'll turn the pot on, so I'm gonna get the pot cooking. So I'm just gonna get my, where did I put my cooking oil. One and two piece. So have my okay, it's hot. So I'm put on my onions, put in my meat. And of course I go in with my Maggi seasoning. Yes guys, I season my pots. I have to well make sure I season my pots else I feel like I can't really eat the food the way I want to eat it. Okay, that should be enough seasoning. And then I take and mix vegetables in. As you can see, I got my meat cooking there, and I got my pasta over there going. So, almost finished. This is what my looks like so far. So we just simmered down. That is all finished. So I'm gonna cover it. Chicken breast right here. So I'm just gonna slice it into 4 pieces. Like that. Slice it into 4 pieces. Slice this one into 4 pieces as well. And I'm just gonna put it here, and I'm just gonna season it. So I'll put it there. Running out of seasoning, and of course my Grace browning. So I just tip a little bit in there. Don't need that much, just enough to touch the pot. And I get my tongs and I mix it around. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to switch the stove. I get to cook this one properly. Alright. Let this cook for a bit and I'm going to do up the dishes. The pot is bubbling there. The pasta is pretty much finished. I don't know if I'm going to do that. And turn down, let it cook. This I'm gonna turn down. Go head into the shower just now. Let me put this in the sink. So I'm going to go head into the shower, go take a shower. I'll get my son to watch the pot. And yeah, I will be back when I'm finished. Hey guys, so I am finished cooking. My pot is all done. Let me show you. My meat is there bubbling in the pot. It's pretty much done. I'm just about to dish out dinner now. Everybody is hungry.
Yes.
You ever hungry? You're always hungry. Is there a day when you're not hungry?
Well, except for the time that long ago, about like 3 years ago, when I ate that big thing. What's it called again? That big humongous wrap. After that, I was still hungry. It's a part of life.
Yes.
I'm always hungry.
Yes, my fatty.
China too.
No, which one's Memphis is?
What? Memphis not even on the eat out, mommy.
You guys always eat a lot when it comes to pasta.
But which one of them are mine? None of them are not for me.
Maybe none of them is not yours.
That's not for me.
This is Memphis's.
Memphis gonna be the one of them.
Hello, nobody needs to see how greedy the two of you are. You guys are disgusting. And look how you hold the plate and gonna go turn it over on yourself.
That's mine.
What's that? That's yours.
I thought I was yours. A small fork every time you take big fork.
If I get little fork, you forget one. You can fork too.
My hand kind of.
Hello. Don't let me catch you singing that song. About your... Okay, and there's Babe's dinner. So he has chicken pasta. I am finished. So I'll show you. Yeah, so that is hubby's dinner. He has chicken. I did a little bit of chicken pasta too. Enjoying Vlogmas, and yet again I am sorry for not making an actual intro. I've just been so busy. So I don't know if I'm gonna try and make one this weekend or not, but if not, then I'll just continue doing the vlogs the way I'm doing it, with the regular vlog and no intro. But if I can, then I will try and make one for you guys. They're actually enjoying these vlogs. Let me know what you guys think. If there is something that you guys would like to see in the vlogs, leave a comment in the comment below. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let's get talking, guys. And thanks for watching, and to all the new subscribers, thank you guys. We really appreciate you. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? So we are on our way to go get a little bit of shopping. No, sorry. No, we're on our way. We're actually heading to the mall. We're gonna go get pictures done with Santa. Yeah, it's dark outside. Ugh, it is so dark out here. Memphis, make sure you turn off the light. No, the one out there. Okay.